Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a small Temu haul with you. These are die cutting dies. You know, Temu has a ton of crafting supplies at really low prices. The first thing that I ordered was these lips. I thought that these lips would make a really cute, they would make really cute embellishments. And this is what they look like. You get the whole lip outside. This is the outer portion, because as you can see, these are the cut lines. And over here you get the base. That's the base. And over here you get another portion. I think this is going to go on top of these. Anyways, then you get some words. I can't tell what it says, and you get a bunch of tiny little things to go with your lips, including some lip gloss or something like that. Another thing that I ordered was, and these right here are from Alinacutle, and so I've noticed that they have a lot of Alinacutle on Temu. Here we have some this is supposed to be for a mini album. This is on a 3x3 mini album. I remember mentioning it last year, how I was going to start stocking up on mini album dies. And thanks to Temu, I've been doing just that, because their prices are so insanely budget friendly. So here I believe we have a pocket or a page. Yeah, this is going to be a page, as you can see. This is where you're going to fold it over and put it on your book, you know, for the binding, at the binding system. And this says happy birthday. I could tell that. This one says love, and you get a couple of things like butterflies, and this, I can't tell what that is. I can't tell what that is. Anyhow, and I can't tell what this is. And we got a flower here, and check this out. You have the base, and you have this, so you can die cut the pages that go on top of these. And here is another sheet. See how it comes with a line, so you can go ahead and fold it. There's no guessing. And here is a square that goes to this square, and this shaped one. I really like this. I'm going to make a mini album with this. I was working on a mini album yesterday, but oh, cool. And you also get the binding system. You know, there's no guessing, no math, no nothing. You just die cut the piece and you do your folds, you know, valleys and mountains and valleys. Yeah. And over here we have more dies that you can use to make more embellishments for your mini album. And so this is really cute. I really like this set. Okay, so that's this set right here. And this other one intrigued me. I do have a set of dies kind of like this, but not this big, and with a little heart like so. And so this is what it's supposed to look like once you're done. I don't know if I showed you the picture earlier for the other one. This is what, and I'm going to hang on to this because look, they show you what goes with what and how to do it. I really like that. And over here, they even tell you where to check them out on YouTube, so that you can check out the tutorial on how to make this box right here, pillow box. And this is what it looks like. It's super cute. I'm looking forward to playing with this as well. Oh, and here is another, you know, everybody should come out with little notes like so, because it is so helpful when you're die cutting. Because sometimes I'll go ahead and make a purchase, and because of timing and whatever, sometimes it's like a year later when I actually get to play with the dies and make something with the dies. And it would be very helpful to have something like this, so that I know what I'm doing. Check this out. This is so cute. I love it. I love how they have the instructions. And I saw this card holder actually on Dahlia's channel, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it, I have to have it, I have to have it. And so I did. So this is what it looks like. See, it's nice, it's sizable, it's perfect for any credit card size. So I like it a lot, a lot. And so yeah, so head on over to Temu, check out all the dies that you want to get, and oh my gosh, it's like at low prices. And don't forget the games. I'll tell you, I have won so many, not just dies and things, but all sorts of supplies for my craft room and for Happy Meal and everything. So go ahead and check out the links in the description area and let me know how you like these. I really like the size of this one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go, and thank you so very much for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.